Well, good morning or good evening, wherever you are. Good afternoon. It's morning here for us. We are up in the blue Dandenong ranges. If you can see behind, it's really lovely. We're just at an area where we were told that there was loads and loads of cockatoos. Scruffy came too. However, we've just spoken to the park ranger and he said that they've actually stopped the kind of public feeding of the birds here, so they're not coming down in the abundance that they were. So we've decided we're going to go for a little walk. We can certainly hear cockatoos in the background. We just haven't seen any, so we're going to go explore and see what we can find. Well, as you can see, this is not a cockatoo, but it's a parrot that's literally just flown down in front of us. How beautiful is he or she? I'm guessing it's a Rosella parrot, but I'm not very good on my birds. Wow. So lovely just to see them flying in the wild and not in cages.
Well, we have just been down quite a big road, or Scruffy, it's called a path, or a path, and we saw lots of birds, and, well, Cameron saw some little lizards. One was quite big, the next was quite small. Mum spotted a parrot, which you might have seen earlier in the video, and yeah. By the way, my name is Scruffy if you don't know my name.
That's about the best zoom I can get at the moment, but there's two kookaburras sitting in the tree, and there is a cockatoo just flown in there, but he's hiding. There's one sitting up on the branch there. Oh, there's another two there. Just a little bit too far away to get them all. Hello, Mr. Kookaburra. What have you got? There is loads of, can't get the other ones. Oh, there's another one. Cockatoos sat up on this tree. If you're wondering why they've all gathered together here in the one tree, I suspect ready to steal somebody's picnic.
Hello.
Well, that's it for now. We've had an absolutely amazing walk.
Yeah.
It took quite a while to actually find the cockatoos, but we did find them in abundance in the end and saw loads of them, as you would have seen, flying wild. They are absolutely spectacular when you see them. It really is incredible, and it's just the most beautiful, beautiful place here. And it's just a reminder that obviously travelling costs money. Of course it does, to get from A to B, but the best things in life are most definitely free. Can't see you there, Cam. Just going for a walk in this beautiful forest, or whatever you call it, Dandenong ranges. It's absolutely beautiful, and I do say absolutely a lot, but I think I'm just blown away by the beauty of it and the nature here. It's amazing. What's your favourite bit, Cam?
I like the bit where we saw all the cockatoos flying. I like the bit where they were ready to steal someone's picnic.
Yeah, they were waiting to steal a picnic, weren't they? But yes, incredible place. So this is our last day in Victoria. Tomorrow we are going to fly on to Sydney. Although, yeah, we're not actually staying in Sydney itself because we stayed kind of in the central business district last year. We're going down south of there to a little place called Cronulla, which is really, really pretty. So we hope to be able to show you a bit more of that over the next few days.
And meet our new friend Fred.
From Victoria, it's goodbye from us. Say goodbye.
I'll see you next time on Cam and Mum's Travel Blog. Meet Fred.